This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to create a price table using the price table widget. Let's get started. For using the pricing table widget, we're going to need Elementor Pro. You can find the Elementor Pro website linked in the description. Choose your plan. As you can see, Elementor Pro has a sale. Click on Buy Now. Complete your purchase and install the plugin. After you've installed, let's start creating a pricing table. Let's start from scratch. Search for the price table. And this is the price table widget. So as you can see, you have a title, some description, price, description, and some features, a button and a text element. You also have a ribbon up here. So let's start editing this. You can enter the title here. If you have a website dedicated to this product page, you can add dynamic tags and the description here. You can change the pricing from here. I'm going to use the rupee symbol. You can add a sale as well. I'm going to leave the period. You can just add monthly or yearly or any other thing as well. And here are the list items. This is the text we can change. You can change the icon color as well. I'm going to change it to green. So this is our pricing table. We can edit footer from here, the button text. You can add a dynamic link here as well and edit the additional info. I'm going to remove that. And here you can change the ribbon title and position. For this, I'm going to remove the ribbon. Let's head over to style. This is our header color. We can add some padding here. We can change the title and the subtitle colors and typography here, and the pricing. Let's increase the size. And you can change the vertical position as well. You can change features style from here. You can add some background, padding, color, and all those things. You can even add a divider. Let's give it some padding. And this is the footer styles. I'm going to change the button color. Let's change the hover effect as well. This looks good. You can even add animation. So this is a pricing table. Let's add some more style to make it look good. So as you can see, a pricing table has been completed and it looks pretty good. In this way you can create amazing pricing tables for your website. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.